Hi guys, today we're going to unbox the Feelworld F6 external monitor for your DSLR camera. So I have recently upgraded to the Sony A7iii, and coming from the Canon M50 which had a flip screen, I am in a lot of trouble because there is no flip screen in the Sony A7iii and I do a lot of vlogs, and without a flip screen I can't see myself and I don't know what's in focus. Like right now I don't know if you can see me properly or if my head is outside the frame or whatever is inside the frame. I have no idea. So that's the reason why I have picked this up. So while I was out in the market looking for the perfect monitor that I could buy, I had a strict budget. I didn't want to buy the Atomos Ninja because they start around like $1,000 Australian. So I just needed something that's a little bit cheaper because the only reason I would be using this is to see myself if I am in focus or not. So I have seen a lot of user reviews on Amazon for particularly for this product, and this one had a lot of positive reviews from the users. But I have picked this up from eBay because I'll show you why. So once I open the box, I've got this from eBay because the guy who was selling this with a carry case. That's the reason why I picked this up. The first thing you see is some Chinese manual and some user manual. So I'm sure nobody's going to read this. So this is the carry case that it comes with. The build quality is not that great, but I'm not too fussy because this allows me to do some modular packing when I'm traveling. I can just throw this and the contents inside, the contents that I'll be needing for shooting along with this monitor, I can just put it in inside my backpack. And other than that, we have HDMI to a mini HDMI cable. This is 1 meter in length. We have a an HDMI to a micro HDMI, and there is a micro USB to a USB cable. So you can use this to upgrade the firmware of your external monitor. Now let's open and see what's inside the case. Outside the case, the first thing you will see is the sunshade mounting frame and the sunshade. There is one F750 battery. And then there is a tilt arm. Then there is a charger for the battery. There you go. There goes the battery. You can use the micro USB to USB cable to charge this. So I'll probably put this to charge now, so that by the time I finish this video I can show you if it's working on my camera or not. So while the battery is charging, let me show you what's inside the box. So this is the sunshade mounting frame. Show you how to put that on. Open this up. The monitor itself, this is for 5.7 inches in length. That's it, that's the monitor, should be big enough. This has some physical buttons along the side which you can customize. I think there's a menu button here. You can put this up like in a portrait mode, you can put this up in a landscape mode if you want it. There's a plastic cover, I'm just gonna rip this off. This is my favorite part. Oh, feels nice. Well, a lot of reviewers have complained about the build quality of this, but I like it. It's plastic, but it's nicely built. It's well built. I don't have too many complaints about this. So that's how I've decided to put this in, because I will have easier access to all the buttons right over here. This monitor has a few nice features. Of course, I'm not going to go through all of it, but to mention a few, it has this has anamorphic mode, it has peaking filter, the center marker, you can see if it's overexposed or not. I'll share the link down below where you can find out more about this product. So the battery is now fully charged. I'm going to install this on the back of the monitor, and I'm going to shoot this with my phone and show you what my setup looks like. So that is how I have set up the monitor with my A7iii. I have used the tilt arm to face the monitor my way so that I can see myself while I'm shooting. And on the back I'll show you what I have done is just slid in the battery pack, and there was a red LED that popped up in the front by which I knew that the power was on. And on the left hand side I have inserted the full HDMI cable which comes out and then goes inside my A7iii. And also on the right hand side you can see that there is a place where you can put your or insert your microphone. That is a really nice touch. You don't need a cage to go along with the entire setup. So this one arm, tilt arm, will basically provide support for your monitor, and your microphone. And on the top you can see there are some buttons that you can customize. So all in all, I think just for $155 you can pick one of these up today, and this is actually a very good buy in my opinion, I would say, because you get a 5.7-inch full HD display, which is not as bright as some of the other displays out there, but for just shooting yourself as a vlogger, I think this will just do the job. And then also you have the exposure, zebra exposure and focus peaking to help you out with your shoot as well. And I can clearly see on the display on the top right here if my face is in focus or if it's tracking my eye or whatever is happening. So, and the quality of all this is brilliant. I mean, I couldn't have asked for anything better for the money that I've spent on this. So if you have any more questions regarding this product, please leave a comment down below and I'll answer as soon as I can. Alright, so see ya, bye!